Where's the coconut?
Right, left corner.
Come over here. I will show the trick.
Okay, what's your magic trick today?
Today I'm going to show how to take honey from a honey container with a dirty spoon.
Oh, why dirty?
Because there's often a moment while making oatmeal. You put oatmeal on the plate and then you take some coconut oil or something else. You put it there like this. Now you don't want to mix this with the honey, or the other way around might apply also. But now that we have this honey and this spoon, we don't want to do more dish by taking another spoon or device for this. So we can use this handy trick with this clean part of the spoon. So we start to pour the honey like this. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Ooh.
Like this, and then we use the spoon to cut it like that. And it cuts pretty good. With the proper technique and especially cold honey, this works perfect. So this time
Oops.
didn't work perfectly. We can try another go. Soon.
Oh my gosh, no, that's too much honey.
Alright.
Next time.